no gel, 2 bobby pins and 4 hairbands. No heat as well. Keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. Good morning, Stormy. Good morning, Stormy. I've just ordered a wig. That comes next week, so I need a hairstyle which is gonna last me. That is gonna be low maintenance but still cute. It's my 3rd week at work and I'm already showing my true colors. I've been coming in looking a bit of a mess, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna do a nice ponytail using some random old like curly weave I've got. I'm going to be focusing on length retention, so that's why I've got my moisturizing stuff, my spray bottle in sections, but also moisturizing the sections as I go, just because I do want that little bit more like length retention, and also I feel like it'll make it last a bit longer. I'm going to be looking like Ariana Grande after this. Anyway, let's start. Water first, leave-in conditioner second, and then amla oil third to lock in the moisture. Just look at the difference between like dry hair and then the moisturized hair. That doesn't even look like it's from the same head. Where I want the ponytail to be, which I think I want it like kind of going up this way, not too high up, possibly even. The only issue is I do want to be able to sleep on it, so right at the back is inconvenient, but I think I'm going to do just a bit like backing it up a bit because I don't like it too high up. I'm going to use this one. Well, I'm just going to section it with my finger at first, and then I'll go in with the comb. And see how easy it is to section now that it's like moisturized. So I've sectioned it off and now I'm just placing it about where I want it to go, which I think is right there. Which, this is such a funny hairstyle right now. I kind of don't hate it. Okay, well I feel like this bit doesn't even have to be that slick as well because it's far less hair than I have. And I've already moisturised it, so I'll just get the top a bit thinner. I'm going to put a hairband in there just because it helps me with the sectioning. You can finally see it sectioned off. So this will be where the ponytail is coming out, which is still quite high up. But okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to take that little section I made and break down. And I know it's a terrible braid because I have very thick hair. I feel like if it was a bit longer at least I could like put my hair in cute little braids, but no. Okay. Ooh, that was a lot of effort. Well, I've got the middle down now, so the rest basically I can just slick up and have a lot less tension on the sides of my head, which I think is a big problem when I do slick backs. It always feels a bit too tight, and I might leave out a few bits from the front, just have some curly bits at the front, so that could be cute. If you have type 4 hair, tangle teaser, godsend. Like, look how easy it can just, okay, never mind. Never mind. You see with that sectioning, just everything goes down so like slick. With far less tension on the front. This is what I'm left with. Not super slick at all, but let's go to my room, get the slick brush and really get this down into the hairstyle I want. I forgot to leave out like the bits at the front. Oh, apologies for the terrible angle. So this is optional, but if you want to, if you need to, you can add gel in this step. I feel like if you add it in now that it's already slicked, you use far less, but I'm not gonna do that. But this is the gel I do like to use when I do. It's so good for coilier curls because my hair is unruly, as you can see. Like, this just doesn't slick. And also, anyway, also you can use gummy to slick your hair if you don't like water-based gels. I don't know where my gummy is, so this is for real, like a no gel tutorial. Rose milk is so good, so good, so good. It's my childhood drink and it's just... I'm gonna find my extensions and come back. I'm actually looking at my extensions and I think it's clear they need a wash. Hello. So I have cleaned my bundles and untangled them. They actually weren't dirty, they were just tangly from my last hairstyle because I think I literally had that in for like a day and then I just don't put them back properly. So here's the new clean bundle. The curls aren't defined, but I don't mind doing that when it's on my head. I still have the two little bits at the back, nothing's changed. The way I connect the bundles to my head will seem really not secure, but honestly it's never even like slightly come undone, so I'm not of worry. You can obviously like sew the bundles to your little braids, but I don't wear these for very long. So I've put one bobby pin in the middle of the double tracks. This is what's going to be locking it into my hair. And I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but honestly it's never come off. But I slip the bobby pin into the braid, or one of the braids, or both of the braids. If I have one braid, it's popped out. I might have lied. No, honestly, once I wrap it round, which is the next step, it will be very secure. So I pop it in, and already I'm seeing the look. I will now that it's secured, or as secured as possible, I'm going to start wrapping it round the two braids like this and pulling it quite tightly so it is fixed around these braids. Sorry, I know I'm mid hairstyle, but look at this card I got my mum. It says too old for TikTok, too young for Antiques Roadshow. Okay, so I've just wrapped it and this is how much I have left, which is a really good length because I've got this much of the ponytail to hide left. I can't see it. So to finish off, if you can see, so this is the end of the weft there. I put it all the way to where my hair stops, or the hairband is, and then I take the hair which is connected to the ends of this doubled track and wrap that around the ponytail itself. I kind of get tension headaches, so I'm just gonna do it quite loose. And then there we are. So optionally you can put in bobby pins to secure that, or like a little rubber band. I think I'll just do a little rubber band. I'm gonna do my edges just to pull the whole look together, but this is it. I don't know if it's giving my hair. From far it is, from close, that's up to you guys. That's up to me post editing to find out, but yeah. Oh, that's how easy it is to literally put my type 4 hair in a ponytail with no gel. Is that not amazing? If you like this tutorial, smash like